Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today is a cold, dreary day. All of our leaves seem to have fallen overnight into our backyard. So I thought today I'd stay in and catch up on the 100 loads of laundry that I have. But right here I fold 4 baskets and put those away. I've got a couple more in the washing machine and dryer, so I will probably get those done tonight. So the way I do this is I start by dumping out each load onto my bed and putting them away as I finish folding them. I've got some YouTube playing right now. This Crazy Life is on. I play it on my TV in my room to kind of motivate me to keep cleaning. So I'm going to work through this basket, and then as I put that away, I will then dump the next basket on to my bed and keep going from there.
It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking.
So I'm almost done with this basket here, but I end up with, always I end up with missing pairs of socks. I really don't know where they go, and it drives me crazy. The kids end up wanting to wear that particular sock, but I can never find the pair. I have no idea where it ends up. If you guys have that same problem, let me know, and if you have any tricks onto how to keep the pairs together in laundry, then please comment below and give me that idea, because it really is one of my biggest pet peeves.
I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Died with my own doubts.
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care.
Alright, so basket number 4. I think somebody tried to help me by folding some of this basket for me. They folded the towels, but as much as I adore the help, they weren't folded correctly, and the way that they are folded, they will not fit into the linen closet, so unfortunately I had to refold these towels. It was a really sweet gesture, but of course I ended up having to redo it.
Baby, I do.
Although now that I think about it, I'm not quite sure why they stopped at just folding those towels. I ended up, I don't know. I mean, as nice as it is, I would have loved it if they kept going.
Hoping you will figure it all out somehow, it all out somehow. Why I'm acting weird whenever you're around, oh, when you're around. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed, burning temptation. I just cannot hide it. Late at night when I'm all alone, try not to think about it. Invade my thoughts with your honeycomb. Try not to think about it, but baby I do.
Now that I've got all of this laundry put away, I am going to put out this blanket that I got, I think from Target. It's a gray blanket. I'm going to put it on the end of my bed and see how I like it there for a while. Most likely the kids will take it and put it into their room because it is really soft and fluffy. But I'm going to try it out here on the edge of my bed just to see how I like it over the next few days. Let me know in the comment section below if you like the way this blanket looks on the edge of my bed and whether or not you think I should keep it here. Alright, Alright guys, I finished up these 4 baskets. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube channel. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye!
Rest of the night until break of dawn. Baby, it's the two of us.